Conflict interest definition. A conflict of interest arises when what is in a person's best interest is not in the best interest of another person or organization to which that individual owes loyalty. When a person's self-interest is not in line with the best interest of another person or organization, they are loyal to. For example, an employee may have a conflict of interest if they take a bribe to buy poor quality goods for their company, which will benefit them but harm their employer. A conflict of interest can also exist when a person must answer to the different individuals or groups whose needs are at odds with each other. In this case, serving or individual or group will injure the other. The person. Conflict of interest definitions. Personal financial time. Number 1, personal business may not be done on company time. Example, an employee taking time during work hours to run a personal online store or respond to non-work related emails will violate this policy. Number 2 is outside activities such as a second job or self-employment must be completely separate from company work. For example, is a graphic designer working for a company cannot take freelance design jobs and work on them during office hours. Number 3 is your business cannot conflict or interfere with your regular responsibilities or duties. Example, a sales employee prioritizing their side business or making sales calls and attending client meetings for the company. Number 4, do not use company equipment or tools for outside employment. Example, an employee using the company laptop and internet connection to manage their personal business operations.
Sa among conflict interest unya kaning diri sa among case study kaning which is makita man diya ang kaning introduction, body and conclusion. So ang first is kaning introduction. Conflict interest is ethically important of two reasons. Of first, a person who conflict interest may not able to exercise his or her duties in an objective professional manner in spite of his or her best intention. So there is a kaning among there is among topic which is magatag lang kog kaning example is magatag og example like among example is siya kaning company business siya is naga-focus siya sa mga employees is which is kaning bitaw kaning naga-focus siya sa mga behaviors sa mga employees, sa mga pa sa mga rules and regulations, which is ang kani among conflict interest is more on lang jud siya sa mga employees sa organizations unya kani pwede po ni siya magamit sa atong business like unya makita man gud nga if a conflict interest is not dealt with proper, if you can lead loss with an entire decision making process and ultimately to lose faith in entire organization. So ang conflict interest is importante jud kini siya sa tuwa is kung wala man gud siya good is kaning possible man gud nga dili magkahanay o di man makita na tuyo is man siya kaning loss ay it can lead to a loss of faith kanang kanang dili sila magka ano sa ano nila ba kaning sa ilang certain organization, kanang dili sila magka ano kaning magka hiusa. So in body is so diri sa body is a conflict interest is a situational is which a person has be private or personal interest sufficient to appear to influence the objective exercise of his or her official duty. So kaning adiri sa body is murag ano naman kay siya no, murag kaning murag nakatibok lang siya sa ato ano is important lang siya sa ato kay it kaning it's because is if ano kaning if interest siya sa kanang employees is maano jud niya ang ano jud ang kanang iyang ginatrabaho. So there is a conclusion ano kaning lastly it is important to see that conflict in interest is not accusation but rather a situation in which individual may find him or herself. Many people get wrong especially when discussing conflict interest in a public sphere. It is common, for example, to all employees. So sa conclusion is nagapakita siya sa ano sa to nga importante jud ng adjud siya no kaning magamit jud siya no nga ginatagaan nato siya kaning value kay para ano pagod para ato pagong maano siya kaning ma-preserve pa siya ba kung adito sa atong company is naabay kaning respect, naabay kaning honest, unya nabakay pansi mong mga ano nimo, sa imong mga kauban nimo, sa imong mga subordinates nimo. Unya diri sa conclusion is naghatag na siya kaning sa organization no is naghatag na siya kaning giya kaning para sa tuwa. These are our conflict interest. So number one is what are the primary ethical dilemma present in this case. So number one is the primary ethical dilemma in this case revolves that the attention, loyalty, and objectively the individuals is obligated to act the best interest of their employer by selecting the most qualified candidate. However, the personal loyalty to their sister creates the bias that could be potential and dilemma. So ang number one is ang iyang example is as a employee is you must give your magatay lang ko example is ang number one is as a employee is you must give your full time to best efforts to your work. Your employees must have your full attention. So as a employees is kaning sa among company is maghatag kag basta kaning full of attention sa imong imong company is syempre nga ako pod nga kaning employees is magtrabaho ko nga akong the best nya maghatag po ko kung sa uban kanang bitong sa kining giya nga ako mga makatag sa ilaha. So diri sa number 2 sa among conflict interest is what are the root cause of ethical issues in this case. So the root cause of ethical issue in this case is the presence of conflict interest. This conflict arise from the individual dual roles as a employee with a duty to select the best candidate and a sibling with a personal interest with their sister's success. So magatag lang ko sa ganing example is sa number 2 is keep your personal business completely from your separate their company's business. So kani kita man jud ninyo no is as a employee is kaning naman jud tay mga ano no sa kaning mga kaning mga roles and obligations. So ang kada sa tuwa, ang kada ang tawag ni ang kada ang kon sa tuwa, ang kada sa kaning ang kada isa sa tuwa is naagi na trabaho kaning which is kaning mga lahi nga mga department is which is mga kaning mga lahi ginapang assign unya kaning mga lahi ginapang lihok-lihok. So
what are possible actions or solutions to address the ethical issues? The individual can disclose their familial relationship to their boss and request that someone else handle the selection process. This ensures transparency and avoids potential bias. So, to avoid a conflict of interest, the person should tell their boss about their family connection to someone involved in the selection process and ask for someone else to take over that part of the process. So, pinaagi ani nga proseso. This makes everything open and fair. So, number 5, which ethical decision-making frameworks utilitarianism, deontology, virtue ethics, etc. could be applied to evaluate options. So, a deontological framework is applicable here. This emphasizes following rules and duties. A deontological perspective suggests individual has a duty to be objective and fair in the selection process, even if it means potentially disappointing their sister. So, this situation is best addressed using deontology, which focuses on rules and doing what's right, regardless of the outcome. In this case, the right thing is to be fair and impartial in the selection process, even if it means someone or a relative might not get chosen. It's about following rules and doing your duty, not about achieving the best outcome for everyone involved.
What potential consequences could arise from various courses of action? The consequences of various courses of action can be both positive and negative, and this could lead to a positive outcome by ensuring transparency and avoiding potential bias. However, it might also create awkwardness or discomfort within the workplace. The consequences of a conflict of interest can be negative, including financial loss. A remote employee might not be as productive if they take a second job during business hours.